Question 1. Brianna is a baker. She earns $12.25 per hour. She worked 38 hours last week. What is her straight time pay? Question 2. John is a saw operator in a lumber mill. He works 40 hours a week and earns $630 per week. What is his hourly pay rate? Question 3. Max is a robotics technician. He earns $22.75 per hour for 40 hours and time and a half for overtime hours over 40 hours. If he worked 6 hours of overtime, what is his total pay? Number 4. Madison worked from 8:10 to 11:35 and then from 12:30 to 4:35. Find her total hours for the day. Number 5. Devin is a high school teacher and a soccer coach. His annual salary is $37,440. What is his biweekly salary? Number 6. Tom is guaranteed a minimum salary of $1,200 per month plus 5% commission on total sales. Find his gross pay for the month if his total sales were $25,000. Number 7. Abigail earns $63,840 annually and has 2 dependents. She is married and her state tax rate is 4%. A. Find the amount for exemptions. B. Find her annual state income tax. Number 8. James earns $45,440 a year and receives his pay on a semi-monthly basis. How much does his employer deduct per pay period for A. Social Security tax and B. Medicare tax? Number 9. The annual cost of Madison's family health insurance is $10,019.40. The company pays 66% of the cost. How much does she pay weekly for medical insurance? Number 10. You have a check for $223.47 and a check for $24.75. You would like to deposit the checks and receive $26.50 in cash. Use the deposit slip below to show your total deposit. Number 11. Complete check number 1025 using today's date. Make it payable to Rural Farm Electric for $364.90 for your monthly bill. Number 12. Your checkbook balance was $492.16 on September 3rd. Use the check register below to record the following transactions. On 9/5, check 442 for $102.06 payable to Lenny's Deli. On 9/6, check 443 for $228 payable to Merchants Bank. On 9/10, a deposit of $350. On 9/12, check 444 for $35.79 payable to Home Pharmacy. Match each term to its definition. Write the correct word in the space provided. A. A document listing recent cleared checks, ATM transactions, and deposits. B. The amount of money in a bank. C. What bank customers use to keep record of their deposits, transfers, checks that they have written. D. What makes it possible for bank customers to electronically check their accounts at any time of the day. E. An amount of money put into a bank. F. What you need to enter to be able to access your account at an automated teller machine, an ATM. G. This directs a bank to deduct money from a checking account to make a payment. And H. A fee a bank might subtract from a customer's account.